After a power outage, my Uline Nugget ice maker shows error code 11. I've unplugged it and powered it off, but the code remains.
When did you last replace your Uline ice maker's water filter? How old is the ice maker?
It is 15 months old.
How long has this been going on with your Uline ice maker? What have you tried so far?
Just a few days. Power went out for a couple of hours on Monday or Tuesday, and that's when this started.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No thanks.
Hi and welcome to Just Answer. My name is Expert in a field of major appliances repair and maintenance. I know it's late, but I am here to know if you still need help. Important reminder, do not rate this answer, negative or positive, or select/text any number of stars. For us, keep this question valid and cancel if necessary. If this is too late for me to help and you already have solution to your posted question, please let me know and I will help you to cancel this. I will give you my initial and basic answer below, just reply in case you still need help, so that I will be notified and able to assist you further. Initially, please try to unplug the appliance/unit from the power source/turn off the electrical breaker for 10 minutes, and then plug it back in. Please let me know the result.
Thanks, TC. This until this morning, and I did try your suggestions, but it didn't work.
May I know the brand and model number of your unit?
Uline UHNP 115 SS01A serial 1,954,943,010,059. You seem to work nights, so I don't want to take a phone call at 2 in the morning.
Thank you for the response and patience. That error code on that unit indicates that there is an issue with the main control board, software/firmware/memory. In that case, you need to call for service. Please call Uline customer service to schedule repair/service on your unit 1-.
Thank you.
You're always welcome. It's my pleasure to assist/help you. How to rate? Simply select 5 stars at the top of this page, scroll all the way up. Thank you. Bonus/tips are greatly appreciated.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.